And they're off. Nanica, Tropical Lake, just ahead of Andante. Shirley's Delight, Mayast and Magic Feeling. And little or no pace on in the early stages as Nanica takes them along and goes over towards the far rail, the leader. Out about 4 in front of Tropical Lake and Andante, and then Shirley's Delight, Mayasta and Magic Feeling. So just a crawl as they make their way to the first flight in the Murphy's Irish Stout Hurdle, with Nanica going along 4 in front. Tropical Lake and Andante dispute the second and third. Then comes Mixed Delight, who's on the inside of Mayasta and Magic Feeling. It's racing on now away from the first flight and coming to run up past the stands. Nanica leads, Tropical Lake and Dante, Mixed Delight, followed by Mayasta, and after Mayasta is Magic Feeling. Racing on now away from the stands, shortly making the turn that will take them on to the second flight, where Nanica leads by 3 lengths to Tropical Lake, and Dante is third, Mixed Delight 4 on the inside of Mayasta, Magic Feeling the back marker of the 6 runners. Swinging on away from the stands now towards the next. Nanica showing 3 to 4 in front of Tropical Lake. Andante is third, Mixed Delight 4, followed by Mayasta, Magic Feeling. Continuing on their way now towards the third flight, and it's Nanica the leader, followed 3 lengths back by Tropical Lake. Andante is third, and after Andante is Mixed Delight, followed by Mayasta and Magic Feeling. As they continue on their way down the far side, heading on towards the next flight, which will be number 4, Nanica leads by 3 to 4 lengths to Tropical Lake. A further break of 2.5 to 3 to Andante. Similar margin to Mayasta, a length to Mixed Delight, who's followed 2.5 back by Magic Feeling. Nanica, Tropical Lake continue to go along in front, about 4 to 5 up on Andante. Mayasta, Mixed Delight are next, and a break of 3 lengths to Magic Feeling. They're turning to head down the far side, and in front Nanica leads by 2.5. Tropical Lake just slightly closing the gap on the leader second, and in doing so has edged 4 clear of Andante. Half a length to Mayasta, the same Mixed Delight, just 2 lengths to Magic Feeling. Flight right across from the stands, Nanica, Tropical Lake, followed by Andante. Then comes Mayasta, Mixed Delight and Magic Feeling. As they go now towards the fourth last flight, 3/4 of a mile left to go. And still in front, Nanica, Tropical Lake, a length and a half back second. Closing up behind are Andante, Mayasta and Mixed Delight and Magic Feeling, although the back marker 6 lengths covering the field. Racing away from that one, Nanica by a length to Tropical Lake. 2.5 to Andante, Mayasta, Mixed Delight, Magic Feeling, the swinging past the 5 furlong point, and continuing on now towards the next, Nanica, with close up on the outside, Tropical Lake, a few lengths to Andante and Mayasta, Mixed Delight, Magic Feeling, half a mile, 3 flights left, and it's Nanica just in front of Tropical Lake. Then comes Mayasta on the outside of Andante with Mixed Delight close on their heels, followed by Magic Feeling. They're on the run now towards the flight before the turn in 2 from the finish. Nanica joined by Tropical Lake, 2 lengths to Andante. Then Mixed Delight and Mayasta and Magic Feeling. Tropical Lake now kicks for home, goes a length and a half up on Nanica. Andante going in pursuit of the leader, and then Mixed Delight. Off the home turn, good run to the final flight. Tropical Lake in the lead, being chased by Andante. Then comes Nanica, Mixed Delight, Magic Feeling, but it's Tropical Lake who's still out in front of Andante. Magic Feeling is staying on the outside with Mixed Delight. Coming down to the final flight, Tropical Lake, 3 clear. Magic Feeling challenges Andante for the second, but at the last it's Tropical Lake. Tropical Lake over from Andante, Magic Feeling, and on the run up to the finish, it is Tropical Lake from Magic Feeling, running on well second, but up to the line. Tropical Lake wins it by just over 3 lengths. Magic Feeling second, Andante third, and Mixed Delight is fourth.
Ridden by Kevin O'Brien, runner-up to Shirley's Delight at Leopardstown last weekend, and doing it well there. with Andante the favourite under pressure early in the straight, and at that stage the writing was on the wall for Pat O'Leary's runner.
Well, this showed what a good run last week from Shirley's Delight. We were maybe a little bit harsh on Shirley's Delight last week, but Tropical Lake has come back to consolidate that form and put up a good performance here. Magic Feeling runs on from out of the pack, runs around a bit under pressure, and never looks like for the last time of closing that gap. Tropical Lake has a 3 or 4 length advantage over Andante there. Magical Feeling with the green and yellow sleeves coming to challenge Andante for second place. But Tropical Lake has gone on. A couple of backhanders here from Kevin O'Brien and runs on well down to the last. Good tough animal, has improved right through the season. A third in the Cesarewitch, won a couple of her races, jumped well last week and ran well at Leopardstown and come back and won a nice prize here today. £10,000 to the winner here today, £16,000. Murphy's Irish Stout Hurl. Wouldn't say it was as clear cut as Shawi at this time last year, but these fillies, when they start improving a bit, they keep on improving, and Well Entitled has paid its way well, and Well Entitled to go to Cheltenham and take his chance in the Daily Express. And I heard, I think maybe it was Andante. There is the winner. This filly by Lomond out of Star Cream. As I said, claimed out of a claimer.